Hi, how you all doing? This is our race truck we use when we go racing, our living and what we towards the vehicle. I bought it back in 2015, maybe Christmas time, so nearly 2016. And what happened, it just parked up and sat for years. Then about in 2017, I went and got a Coachman VIP crash damaged caravan and put all the interior in, but it never got properly finished. So what we're going to be starting doing in these ones is just showing you what we do when we go racing, what we live in, how we live in it, but what we need to sort out and a few things that we need to finish. There's no heating in there, there's no water, there's no under lockers, so we've got loads to do. Also, we've got the bedroom to finish up there. It's got a bathroom, so what we'll do is I'll take you for a quick walk around it now, show you the outside, show you where the car goes in the back and what we've got to finish off, and yeah, check it out. Thanks for watching. So what we've got at the top there is where will be the bedroom. It'll just have a double bed with some cupboards. It'll have a low mattress. It won't have a high mattress because there's enough space, but you don't want too high a mattress. You'll be bumping your head all the time. So that's going to be all the bedroom up there. Lockers running down either side. We've got a little wardrobe here that we've made. That opens up, so that'll be a wardrobe in there with a rail. And then all the wiring into the fuse box there. And then this is a seating area that pulls out. All this pulls out. I made it on a rail. Pulls out, and you can have a double bed there, and it's just in a small L shape. And then we've got the kitchen area. So we've got the oven, which runs off gas, and it's got a electric ring on it as well. There's an electric ring there, and obviously got the sink there. Tap that pulls out. All this needs a good clean. It hasn't been cleaned since we were at Brands Hatch. So I want to put a window in there and a backsplash, and then look at mounting maybe a TV up there. Got the microwave there and some cupboards. We've got some wiring to finish on up the top there. Same in there. Spaghetti junction. And then obviously we've got the fridge there, three-way fridge. Thetford, so it's top quality stuff. And all this unit here, this came straight out the caravan, two sides, all this. And then we put a little slide out thing where the table slides out in there. And then obviously we've got to try and get all the water plumbed in. And then in here, this will be the bathroom that we'll do. So we're going to put a little drop down ceiling and a full wet room with a sink on there. And then mounted on an angle so the water will run down, and it'll just have a curtain on the door. And then it'll go down to the bottom. We'll put wooden lats on the bottom, so if you need to use a toilet, you're not standing on where someone's just had a shower. So that's what's going to be coming up, that one there. And then this disgusting ceiling, I don't like it. It just looks too white. So we're going to take that all down, get rid of the 240 lights as well, change all that for 12 volt. 12 volt's so cheap to run because it's for free. We've got a massive solar panel on the roof. We're just going to put 2 laser batteries in because we have a 1 laser battery wide in there. And then obviously we've got the combi boiler, which is an expensive bit of kit, and that can T-piece into your coolant as well, so on your vehicle. So when you're driving the vehicle, coolant's running through the radiators as well on an extra pump, and that's running round, putting hot air all round in here. So that'll be fantastic. Get all this ceiling down. 12 volt lights, going to change it. We're going to run them straight down because we have got the underlight in here and the LED lights there, which is pretty bright enough, and there's some lights at the top of there, but that'll be getting boxed in as well. So yeah, that's pretty much the inside so far in the state that it is, getting ready to finish it. Yep, so this is the outside. You can see a big box, not finished. We've got lockers and skirts to go along the bottom. We need to get a wind deflector for the cab, and then some ears to run down the side. And then this is where the car goes in the back. It's on gas struts, so it just comes up. We had a bit of an accident there. We had to brake through one night when the big tyre fell down and pushed on the latch, so it wouldn't let us actually get in the back. So that's something we need to look at. So yeah, the car goes in here snugly. We've got some bits to sort out down the side, and we're going to rapture all the sides in white. We've got some LED lights up in the top. That ceiling's staying up there because that's perfect for what we need, and it's all plastic, so it's easy to wipe down. We've run checker plate up the back there. There's one piece to go up the top, and then there's a winch. We're going to change the ramps, so the ramps go up underneath where the number plate is, up into the chassis, and then obviously we've got the lockers to go down the side, and that's where you get in. So yeah, that's our race truck that we're now going to be getting back on with, and it's a clean old girl for its age. Right, so what we're going to do is start taking the ceiling down, but to take the ceiling down, the bathroom's going to have to come down, and the wardrobe, so I'll flick it onto a time lapse. My brain's not working today, and yeah, you can watch me getting in a Raj probably. Right, so I'm about halfway down. I've taken the ceiling down. The reason why I don't like it is too white as well, but there's not enough cross braces. So when you look down it, there's only probably me that notices it. It's warping and it's doing my head in. But I've got some nicer stuff to go up. So this is all going to come down. And then all the 240 cables that are in for the lights are going to get changed to the 12-volt ones. Hopefully I'll use this in something else. I won't get rid of it. I've only broke a few. I haven't been getting in a paddy, honest. So I'm going to put some more braces for where it meets. Like this one, you can see it's got somewhere to screw all the way along here. So I'll put a brace in here, or I'll put some more noggins in between. So yeah, I'm after getting the ceiling down, and then we'll unbox a new one and see what it looks like. Happy days! Ooh, we're filming. So, right, that's it. All the ceiling's down. And there's no damp. Right, so, yeah. Got set up sort of in the back of the truck. Let's get it open, and let's hopefully I haven't bought a load of rubbish off eBay. Could be the case. Been well packed. There's a receipt, purchase sale. I'm not sharing that with you. Oh no, it's just white. It's the same principle stuff as well. It's all plastic, so it's pretty susceptible to damp weight. It's not going to go funny. I thought I'd turn it over and see the right side, but it's done face to face. They already feel a lot sturdier. So yeah. That's what we've got. A bit of a glossy finish with some speckles in it and some chrome trim. And already I can feel it's more, I don't know, rigid, I suppose. So yeah, I'm gonna go and test fit one now. So yeah, watch on. Cheers, ta-ra. Ba-doo, 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 ba-doo. Oh, it's still recording. Right. It's a tiny bit thinner, so it might fit up easier. Which means that edging stuff down the side might not be too thin. Come on, let's have a look. I have to cut that edge off, unless it goes all the way into there. That'll ding dong do. Edging strip round the side might not be no good because of the height difference. Unless I get it so it's the same all the way around, it might. Oh, see, it doesn't look too bad down here. It's thinner, isn't it? Mind you, a bit of glue pushed in afterwards and all the held up. I've got some trim bits to put down in the corners, so I don't think that's so bad. And it's a case of going to have to notch it out and put timber in now where these land, because these are not wide. So when the next one comes in, I'm short there. So I need to work this out. Whether I think the best bet is to cut a sliver down there to go in there, I think, and then that'll meet there, which should hopefully cause for that to meet there. Yeah, I'm gonna get me thinking that on for a bit. I've got some pallet wood because we like upcycling, so what I'm gonna do is put a noggin in. So yeah, back to time lapsing. Let's go. So I started putting it all up like you see, and I was really annoyed because it kept sagging in the middle, and what it was, that bar that I'd put in so long ago, obviously not knowing how things went back then, obviously I'd braid it in too tight, which it caused it to sag down. All these are alright, but that was just sagging down nearly half an inch, so I've ripped it all out and I'm going to put a new piece in there that fits perfect, not too tight, and then I can screw that all back and get the lats back up, insulation back up, and then put the 2 sheets of roof panel back up that I'd done. So yeah, everything I'd done today, but at least ceiling's down, and it would have bugged me if I just left it like that. This was the whole point of changing it. So yeah, right, let's crack on and put it all back together. Right, so it's the following day, and we're going to get the braces up now and start putting the ceiling up. Kev's here to help, that's Kev. And then, well yeah, we'll get cracked on. So yeah, time to time lapse it and enjoy. Happy Sundays. So all the noggins are up now, insulation's back up. So Kev's working along doing the new noggins now, all the way to the back, and we're going to start putting the roof up as well. So yeah, it's looking good now. Kev's enjoying himself on a Sunday. He was going to go to church today, but he decided to come and to help on the race truck. So it's going to keep him warm anyway. So, you enjoying life, Kev?
Loving it, living the dream.
There you go. So watch on and enjoy. Yeah, thanks. Bye. Right, so we've got this half up now, and it's looking, as Kev would say, quite blingy. So yeah, I'm going to try and get it all back round up the top now, and get over the bathroom and the wardrobe bit. So yeah, enjoy. Scruffy air day. So we're coming up to the bedroom part now. We've got as far as the wardrobe, managed to get it back under the wardrobe, so it's looking nice up there. I've just brought the wires through to the corner for where the TV will go there. So we'll have the TV, so we'll have 240 mains and then an inverter for the TV. But I might change that and tap into the TV, because all TVs are 12 volt, and just convert it to a 12 volt TV. And then we've got the aerial there, because we'll have an extendable aerial that'll go on the roof, and it'll extend in the corner of the wardrobe there. That's where the fuse box is. So yeah, Kev's cutting some noggins now to go in, and we'll get some insulation back up in there. We haven't got enough ceiling boards. I've got that beam to sort out there that's come down. So yeah, we're getting on with it now. We've already carpeted and boarded. This is all insulated and carpeted out. There's insulation under here. And then I just want a thin memory foam mattress, a nice big king size one, because there's plenty of room up there, because this is above the car. So yeah, it's looking good. Kev's cutting and whistling away outside. How are we doing, Kev?
Lovely jubbly.
He's lovely jubbly. So there we go. So yeah, let's get these boards up. So Nazi now. How many bars do we need to finish off now? Is it 6, Kev? I think we need 6 bars to finish, he's saying. So yeah, it just looks so much better now. It's not wavy, it's nice and level. I'm well happy with how it's turned out. So yeah, wicked. Right, that's it for this one. We've run out of bars now. We've got nearly down to the end. Got all the 12 volt stuff in. Kev's been a brilliant hand this Sunday, so yeah, it's looking really good now. So we just need to finish off up there, but it's nice and jazzy and sparkly now. So yeah, really happy with that one. Right, don't forget to subscribe. Cheers, thank you, bye now. And in cheers for that one. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Cheers, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.